The way he sings, अंधेरी रातों में सुनसान राहों पर एक मसीहा निकलता है जिसे लोग शहंशाह कहते हैं. My friends, the real शहंशाह in asthma, bronchitis, allergic bronchitis, cough is inhaler, pump, please. This is the real शहंशाह. If all the investigations are normal, CT scan, X-ray, blood test, and if you have got bronchitis, allergic asthma, usually in the night time, please take inhaler pump, the real Shansha. Don't mislead yourself here and there, this medicine, other pathies and all. Don't listen to anyone. Listen to your family doctor. He'll explain you the benefits of inhaler pump. You'll get relief. You'll really save your life. You'll be benefited by inhaler pump. Please understand, my friends, the real Shansha inhalers. Thank you very much.